Well, hello guys. We're making progress. It's Sunday evening, about 7 o'clock. I'm calling it a day. I've didn't get anything done really the last couple of days because Mom and Dad decided it was time to go lawnmower shopping. And as all you guys know, MTD makes 90+% of the lawnmowers out there on the market, and can't really convince Dad otherwise. But I got shelves moved up here and started building a shelf. It's 12 foot long to go from the this post to that post to the wall. Got to cut another 2x6 block there, here. Yeah, two more. I've got the one right here for this, and it's going to have a 2x4 coming from the floor up to the post to tie in here, wherever it happens to be. It'll be a 2x6 on that one because you're going to have a 16-foot shelf going across this end, attaching here. So need a little more oomph there. I've got one sheet of OSB cut 2 foot wide, so that'll do this section here, and then these two here. I got to cut a couple inches off of them, and they'll be for the short area here. So I'm going to have one 2 foot off the ground, another at 4 foot, and then up here I'm going to cut a sheet of OSB at 16 inches so it sticks out, like about right here, to give me a shelf up top. This is all for real light stuff, the big bulky stuff that you always have that it's hard to find a place for it. The shelving units down there are going to end up, the one straight forward of me is going to be made to fit right here. And it'll be screwed to the wall, I guess the best way to put it. The other two that are there are going to get all the shelving moved to where it should be. I'm going to put them together and they'll be right in here. So that takes me out to about here with 3 shelving units. Then you got the big one behind you. And then I'll figure out what I'm going to do from there. This, like I say, this up here is for the big bulky stuff, the spare planter boxes, the fertilized boxes, 10 parts for like the combine, screens, planter plates, that big bulky stuff. It takes a lot of room up that, it's hard to place it. So this is where it's going to end up, all up here. And like I say, there'll be a shelf clear down to here 2 feet out, and I think I'll leave this wall alone. I may put something here, I don't know yet, but I got, there'll be what, 1, 2, 4, 6, 6.5 shelves, 2 feet. Well, be quite a bit of storage up here. Plus there'll be stuff like the grass eater that, it's always in the way, but you don't ever have a good place for it, so it'll come up here. Just those odds and end parts that are just big and bulky. You know what I mean? We all got them. And we got our little junk treasures we got to have. So, got to have some place to put them. But we're making progress, guys. I decided to put this together and glue it. Let it sit overnight before I start putting it up. Make it a whole lot easier and a whole lot stronger. So, at any rate, guys, we're making progress up here. And we'll see you next time. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll see you next time, guys.